Intelligent design states that the whole universe and everything within it has been created by some intelligent designer. The species could therefore not have evolved the way that is according to Darwin's theory of evolving. So it does not agree with the theory about that the species are evolving from another. But even though intelligent design recognizes that there can occur changes in species, the intelligent designer who has created everything is not a specific thing. It could be God, or another extremely intelligent species from an unknown place, or any other supernatural force that we cannot explain. But intelligent design does not seem to have any views that can be connected directly from the Bible. This is amongst others because the intelligent design movement looks at themselves as a scientific group. This group has two main goals: to disprove Darwinism and to prove the intelligent design in nature. To disprove Darwinism, the intelligent design movement used two main arguments. The first is what we call irreducible complexity. It consists in that there are things with a biological structure which is the simplest as it could ever get. If one part of the structure is removed, the whole thing would break down, not work, and therefore not be. This means that the structure couldn't have come from an earlier stage, and it could therefore not have evolved into what it is now. Scientists respond on irreducible complexity by acknowledging that it's true that evolving and natural selection can only happen for parts that are already operational. Despite this, the part doesn't have to be functional in their current form, since it could be used in another way with other purposes in another form. The other argument the intelligent design movement used to prove Darwinism is specified complexity. By fulfilling these three criteria, a system exhibits specified complexity. This means that specified complexity in a system means that the system is so complex that it could not have taken place by a coincidence. But it isn't either possible to explain by any natural law. Also, there must be a pattern in its objective reflection, but this pattern has to be specific for this particular thing and not something that has come after its invention or discovery. That a biological system is designed if it exhibits these three criteria and thereby specified complexity. To prove design in nature, the movement used the same arguments as in specified complexity, but in another way. They use the process of elimination. So they take an example and ask these three questions. If the event cannot be explained by any law, we move on to the next question. So, can it be explained by a coincidence? If the event neither can be explained by a coincidence, the people studying and acknowledging intelligent design would say that it must therefore be explained by design. The scientists, on the other hand, say that elimination can only be used when we take reservations for all the factors, and they claim that this hasn't been the case for that.